Dear students of Standard 9, welcome to the class of English second paper. Today we are going to learn transformation of sentences compound to complex. Let's see the first rules. Our first rule is if compound sentence with and so or and therefore, then to make it complex we will use since, as, because. But here is a condition that first clause indicates reason. Let's see the example. Compound sentence. The weather is cold and we cannot go out without warm clothes. The weather is cold. It indicates a reason. So we'll use here since, as or because to make it complex. As the weather is cold, we cannot go out without warm clothes. So here you see the first clause becomes a subordinate clause using this conjunction since, as, because. Second example, smoking is harmful and therefore we should not smoke. To make it complex, we use here since. Since smoking is harmful, we should not smoke. Third example is the boy was tired, so he went to bed early. Look at the complex sentence. The boy went to bed early because he was tired. You see, the first clause we use at the end, so you can transform the sentence in this way also. Let's see the structure. Structure is first clause becomes subordinate clause using since, as, or because. Then we use a comma instead of the conjunction, and second clause remains unchanged. Next, rule number 2. Compound sentence with and, but the condition is if it indicates time or it shows that one work is done just after another. Then we will use when or as soon as. Look at the example. Compound sentence. I woke up and he went away. Look at the clauses. It shows us that one work is just happen after another. So we can use here when. When I woke up, he went away. Second example, I reached home and it started rain. So complex becomes when I reached home, it started rain. Third number, he gives a command and it is immediately carried out. Look at the underlined word. If this type of word is given in the compound sentence, there we can use as soon as. As soon as he gives a command, it is carried out. So next example is Mita saw the train and ran towards it at once. We can make complex using as soon as. That is, as soon as Mita saw the train, she ran towards it. We can use another form also. That is, no sooner had Mita seen the train than she ran towards it. You can follow anyway. Rules number 3. Compound sentence with and first clause is in imperative form and it expresses condition. Then we will use if plus second person you, then first clause, then comma, and second clause remains unchanged. Look at the example. Respect your friends and they will respect you. See, the first clause is imperative form and it shows also a condition. Then to make it complex, we will use if you respect your friends, they will respect you. Look at this sentence, move and be punished. Notice that in the second clause there is no subject. So in this case, what will you do? Look, if you move, you will be punished. So where there is no subject, in the second clause, we will take second person with future indefinite tense. Rules number 4. compound sentence with and, so, or and so. But here is a condition that first clause should have great or very plus adjective and second clause is in negative form. Look at the example. He was very busy, so he could not communicate with us. So first clause has very and then one adjective busy and second clause is in negative form could not. So make it complex. We'll write he was so busy that he could not communicate with us. Notice that instead of very we use so and instead of the conjunction so we use here that and second clause remains unchanged. Another example, she spoke very fast and we could not follow her. Very fast, very plus adjective and second clause is in negative form. So we write she spoke so fast that we could not follow her. Look, instead of very we use so and instead of this conjunction and we use that here. These are the changes we have done here. So today up to this dear students, you have some homework that is from your advanced learner book. You have to do the exercise compound to complex number 1 to 5 and number 11 to 15, only 10 sentences. After watching the video within 2 days you will submit your copy. We'll meet soon with the new rules. Till then, thank you and goodbye.